Hey folks, it's Matt coming back to you from H&B Farms. Thanks for joining us. Got a little pro tip for you today. If you have problems with keeping your water trough clean for your animals, this is for you. If you like our content, be sure to hit like and subscribe. We appreciate it. This is a short video today. One of our barn mates showed us a way to keep our water troughs clean in a very inexpensive way, and I'm going to show that to you today. If your water troughs get dirty, they get bugs in them, they get little pieces of tree debris, leaves, and that kind of stuff, this is the secret. This is actually a minnow net, but you can get a butterfly net very similar at the dollar store, no less. Very cheap, inexpensive way to take care of your troughs, keep them clean, and man, it just works like a charm. I wanted to share that with you. I wanted to take a couple laps around the trough and show you just how clean it can be. You scoop all that stuff up out of the bottom. It's literally just as simple as flicking it and cleaning it right on out, and you can do this 2 or 3 times. It gets all the little nasties out of the bottom of the trough. You can run it across the top just like that. And man, it just does wonders. It is a cheap tool that you can get at the dollar store, and it really helps in between scrubbings of the trough here. Grab the leaves, get that right up, and man, I'll tell you what, this thing is a lifesaver. So, pro tip, dollar store. This is a minnow net or butterfly net, and they just work wonders. See you next time. Have a good one.